If your World app account is showing as restricted, here is the updated method to fix it. First, open World app and tap on the login button at the bottom of the screen to try signing in again. If that does not work, completely close the application and reopen it, as refreshing the app often fixes the issue. If the problem continues, open any web browser such as Safari and search for WorldCoin Customer Service or World App Customer Service. Now go to the official World App Help Center. Click on World App and use the search bar to look up how to fix a restricted account. The Help Center will provide a step-by-step guide that you can follow to resolve the issue. If you still cannot access your account, submit a report directly through the Help Center, and World App Support will typically respond within 24 hours to help restore your access. That's the full process to fix a restricted World App account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.